Hello, little adventurers, and welcome to Chess and Math Stories. Today, we're diving into a magical world on a checkered board. Get ready for an exciting journey with a very special hero. Our story begins on a grand chessboard, home to kings, queens, and mighty castles. But look closely, right in the front row. See that small white pawn? That's our hero. He might be the smallest piece, but his heart is full of the biggest dreams. He looks up at the tall, elegant queen and the strong rooks, wishing one day he could be just as powerful and important as them. He knows that even though he's small, he is brave, and his adventure is just about to begin. Every great adventure starts with a single step. In chess, a pawn's first move can be one step forward, or a brave leap of two steps. See, +1 or +2. But after that very first move, it's one steady step at a time. Now for a fun math puzzle. If our pawn takes 2 steps first, then 1 step, then one more, and one more. How many squares has he crossed? 2 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 equals 6. That's right, he's 6 steps closer to his goal. As our little pawn marches forward, he meets a friendly knight. Whoosh! The knight leaps over other pieces in a cool L shape, sparkling as he goes. The pawn feels a bit small next to the dazzling knight, but the knight just smiles and gives him a friendly pat. "Don't you worry, little friend," says the knight. "On this board, every single piece is important. Your journey is just as crucial as anyone else's." The pawn puffs out his chest, feeling proud and ready for whatever comes next. Suddenly, an enemy pawn appears, trying to block the way. What does our hero do? He doesn't back down. When an enemy is one step diagonally in front, a pawn can make a special move. Zap! He moves diagonally to capture the opponent, protecting his side of the board. He showed so much courage. Here's another puzzle. If our pawn is on the 4th row and bravely marches 4 more steps forward, what row will he be on? 4 + 4 = 8. He's reached the end of the board. After that long, brave journey, our little pawn stands on the very last row. A magical golden light begins to surround him. The kind queen watches with a proud smile as our pawn starts to transform. He grows taller, shinier, and suddenly, poof! He has become a glorious, powerful queen, sparkling just like his dream. He did it! He achieved his goal through courage and perseverance. And so, our little pawn, now a magnificent queen, stands tall with all his friends. His adventure shows us that even the smallest among us can achieve the greatest things with bravery and a good heart. Never forget your own potential. If you loved our story, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and share with your friends. See you next time.